Hi guys, here is your friend Surendra, and here we are going to discuss how to install a genuine version of Microsoft Office 2021. 2021. No doubt there is alternatives. Also, we can find like Microsoft Office, WPS, but lots of friends I they complain about that how to install genuine version Office 2021. And here I'm going to discuss in simplest way the full version 2021 Microsoft Office 2021 with a genuine. Okay, so today we will discuss in simple way. If you have any complaint about that or comment, please don't hesitate to comment it. And if you like this video, please go through this all video, and if you like, let me know about this. um, and please share if you like this video to with your friends. So let's first we have to uh, go with the Office customizations tool. So I have already opened my Google. So in Google I have to find here Office customization tool, and in the here you can find the first like Office customization tool, Microsoft Office 365 apps admin center. And here, okay, so make sure that your internet should be like faster. um, and then here we have to choose accordingly according to your system. Maybe 32 bits or 64 bits. It's my system is 64 bits, so I have select this. And then Office suites, you have to choose here from here Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. And then other also, if you want you can change like here video, and then but let it be, I'm not going to change here. Then here again you can find here like other channels, and let it be, I'm not going to choose this. And here apps, if you want to use some other apps, or if you want to skip this apps like access, if you don't want, you can off it like this. And note one notes also, if you don't want, you can do like this. And team, here is a team also, you if you wish like this, you can off like publisher I don't want, and maybe Outlook I don't want, that you can off. And Word and OneDrive disk. So you can choose like this options. And the next, and here you can choose the language. So primary language is generally by default English United States, or you can choose any other language. So I have choose here primary language as English United States. And secondary language, if you want to add that also you can add. And then here, well, so here for the deployment, yeah, of course we need that CDN, and let it be, I'm not going to change here also as it is. And okay, so after this, the next, if you go to the next, you can find here update versions. And here here uninstall MSI versions of Office including video and projects, that also you can off. Or if you want to like uninstall that all video with that the previous, then of course you can on that. So it depend on your requirements. So uh, I left like as it is. And after the product key activation that you can find here, so let it be right now. But you have to choose here product key in product key Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license, here as KMS, not MAK. It's like this, just by default it is. So you can choose here if not by default. And here let's do the next. And again here let it be as it is. So I'm not going to choose here anything. Or if you want, you can, of course you can write here. So just go to the next. And then after completing this, all go down. So you can just go down, and here you can get the finish. Just click at finish. After clicking and finish, you have to click on export here. So here is import and export. So we are going to use here export. So just click on export, and here you can find one another format like this. So yeah, of course you can keep the current. So I have already my office, so of course that I can do. Or here office open xml format, so it is better to choose that middle one. So office open xml format. So and then just click the OK. Here you can run, and I accept this. Here you can find, so I say I accept the term in the license agreement. And if you want to change here file configurations, let it be. So let export, and here your file is downloaded. So this file is in our download folder. So you can find this file is already in download version here. So you can find here is a downloaded version. Well, so then you have to create one folder in where you want to uh, store that files. Okay, so I'm going to open my local disk C, and here you have to create one folder. So I'm going to create one folder. So it's my folder, right click and then new folder. So I'm going to write this folder name is office 2021, and that file, here I have to open this folder. That's my empty folder, and then in this empty folder I'm going to store that my downloaded file. Okay, so my downloaded file is in download. So I'm going to open in another new window so that I can drag and drop. So here my file, downloaded file, just configuration file. So configuration file you have to store here. And well, then second you have to download um that deployment tool as well as. So I'm going to open here download office Microsoft Office deployment tool 2021. So this was download office deployment tool. You have to download this office deployment tool, and it's also very easy and free of course. Here just if you go through this, and you can find here office deployment tool, here download, just click on download. Yeah, my file is already uploaded here. So this is my folder, and you have to extract this folder. Okay, so this folder is in office folder, it is downloaded, but you have to extract this folder in somewhere particular. So I'm going to open this folder, and then say yes, and then yes here, and then continue here. Just click to here accept Microsoft software license terms, and then continue. And it will ask you to create a new folder or make a new folder. So you have to make a new folder where you want to store it also, or somewhere else. Of course you can, it's not compulsory where you want to install exactly, but somewhere else. But I want to make a folder in same local disk C, and then here you have to make one folder. So here is make a folder. So if you click it here, make a folder, of course it will provide you make a folder. So this folder name, I'm going to write here just simple office, or you can give any other name. So just office. Yeah, so here is extracted, file is extracted successfully. Okay, so that's much. You don't need to do anymore else. But let's open that folder, office folder, as well as here is my configuration folder, and I want to go with this in new window. I'm going to open this local disk C new window, so that I can find my just extracted file. So here is in office, I can find my extracted file. So this is my extracted file, and just copy the setup file and paste with the configuration file. Just paste with the configuration file. And now next third step, we have to go with like office deployment tool. So just you can find here office deployment tool 2021. And okay, so the first options, just click on the first options in this deployment. Scroll down here till we can find here install uh, okay, so download the office LTSC 2021 installation file. So you have to go with this. Well, so here you can copy this setup, but before that we have to open command prompt. So here you can find just click at the start button, and here you can write cmd, means command prompt, cmd prompt, command prompt. And here you have to change the directory. So here is my c local disk c, and then here you can find users user slash access, but I'm going to change the directory where I have my file is stored. So my file store is office 2021. So this is my file, sorry, folder. You have to copy this path so that you can change the directory. So just copy here, just click it here, and you can copy it. Control C is for copy. And here you to change the directory, just press just type cd and space, give a space, cd and space, and control B is for paste. And now see here the path I have copied, just and enter. My directory is changed. And here you just we have recently we have found here the download office LTSC 2021 installation file. Just copy it. Here you can find it, copy. So setup file, this configuration setup file, you can copy it and then paste it here. Just paste and enter. Now for a while you can find that our setup file will running. Okay, so guys, here it's a little bit I did some errors. So here download the office LTSC we have already downloaded, so we don't need to go with this all. So scroll down, you can find here install office LTSC 2021 by using the office deployment tool here. So and here just you have to copy, but before that you have to open the cmd. So cmd, I have opened the cmd. So this I just changed my directory I told. So if you by default if you open, then you know how to change. I have just showed it. And then here in this office 2021, just I create one folder in local disk C. So I have changed my directory, and now I have to click this path. So here set a path. So install office LTSC 2021 by using the office deployment tool. So copy it and here just paste, control V. So paste and enter. And after you can find here do you want to allow? Yes, of course. And you can just run the setup, but make sure that your internet package or internet should be faster. As you're faster, it will be installed. So you can you can see here it's taking the time, and after a while it obviously it will work. So it's so fast you can find. So it's installing. So it takes around 2 minutes maximum, 1 to 2 minutes. So you can find there maximum. I told it depend on your internet speeds. um, so yes, so here you can find finally we you are all set office installation now. So yes, of course. So installed, office is installed properly. So let's it close, and you can check just later. I'm going to check here. So let's check my office Word, and it's working properly. Yeah, here you can find it's working properly. All the tools you can find. So here all the tools it's work properly. So this all. So yeah, like this you can enjoy with the full version. So thank you dear. If you like this video, and if you're thinking that it's useful to all your friends as well as your relatives, then please don't forget to share this video. And if you are new in this video, so please new in this channel, then subscribe it. Thank you.